how this turned out so much. Going for it, asking for what I want. There's no reason not to put yourself out there. Oh, back to my photo booth box, back to my Zoom box. I've been preparing to sell my own prints for a while. I posted a poll on my Instagram stories, which you might have seen. I had people vote and everyone liked all of them, so I just placed the order for the prints. Oh, we gotta check that off our to-do list. I need to get my Etsy shop up and running, take some photos, make this all public, post the video, post the Instagram post, and get going. Get selling merch and my art in a real and scalable way. Alrighty, so I've picked up my prints from the print shop. I'm pretty stoked about how they look. I'm printing with a local print shop. It's going to make things like a little bit more expensive. These are going to be a totally normal price for a print. One of my prints in particular, this one, which I'm so happy with how it turned out, but they left like a border, like a white border on only 3 sides and not on the bottom, and I was like, well, like, I can't really sell this like that. The reason for why they left it like that was very strange, but I had them cut those off, which has made these ones like a little smaller than the rest of the prints. They're supposed to be 8 by 10. I just made like a judgment call and had them cut it down. I think it's fine that they're a little smaller. This is like the OG, the one that started it all. It will be different and better than you ever imagined. So the first step is really to take photos of these so that I can create the listings and like get everything ready to go. I do freaking love how this one turned out. Not sure about these. I used this Climber Girlie's like video on Instagram as a reference for this drawing of her sending a problem. I reached out to her and I was like, yeah, I made this print, I want to sell them. Do I have your permission? You know, I could give you like a portion of the sales or whatever. She hasn't responded. I'm very careful and like a big stickler for not taking other people's work, even though this is like pretty far removed in my opinion. I still would like to have her sign off, so maybe I'll like wait on these and I'll just launch the first 2. My cutie little Etsy shop is a go. Listed my first poster. I need to add some more photos. This logo I designed like in like 2018 or something for myself, and I still vibe with it. To be honest, I'm not sure if these are going to be the right envelopes because it said shipping should be like 5 something. These are flat rate, which I think is like 8 something. So I don't know how to get that like lower rate. Like maybe that is the flat rate and Etsy has like a discounted rate because of like whatever shipping label service they use. I don't know. I need to get more research done. Hi, I'm calling to get pricing and dimensions for getting some stickers printed. Square ones, circular ones, and like small rectangular ones. Oh, really? That's a lot. I think that the minimum is just like too high for me, but I appreciate the information. This is Molly, how'd you know? Oh yeah, well that would help, yeah. Well, yeah, thank you. Yeah, so last minute I added another thing. I want to make stickers. The place that I've been going for my prints, the minimum is $500, which I just like would never ever need that money. I mean, I might, but not right now. So I really want to have stickers for the launch. I'm going to work out now. My boyfriend recommended I go to like a FedEx or something because they probably won't have minimums, but like the whole point of this is to go with like a local place, make it like sustainable and ethical. It's really hard to do things the right way on no budget. But maybe it's good because like slower, more considered scale as far as like growth is definitely more manageable in the long run. I'm watching the WeWork show on Apple TV and it's making me think about that a lot. Okay, a little sticker update here. So I went to Office Max. I know this isn't sustainable, it's not small business, but I found this package in the shelves and it was opened and someone had stolen some of the sheets out of it. So I asked if they could sell this to me for like a discount, so this was a lot more affordable to me. This saved this thing from like going to waste, you know, a lot of time. I forget what it's called. Anything broken. What is it called? At Walmart we had it. Anyway, a lot of that stuff for like big companies will just get thrown away. And it's like worked into their budget to throw that stuff away. So perhaps I saved this from the landfill, so I feel like sustainable. I've also been watching the WeWork show. Adam Newman did a lot of really smart stuff and a lot of really dumb stuff. And so I'm just taking all the really smart stuff he did, just going for it, asking for what I want, asking for a little discount. It benefits me, it benefits the company, and there's no reason not to put yourself out there, and that's what I've learned from that show. Editing my vlogs. I'm really trying to make my videos follow a formula so that they're easy, they're repeatable. Someone once told me that that would make them more fun. If you have a planned out way of doing things, you can be more creative with the pieces of it, but you don't have to figure out the template every single time. Also, people like repetition. They like coming to you to see the same thing over and over again. So I'm trying to apply that strategy to this video. I mean, I'm not doing anything revolutionary here. Basically, I just wanted to start with like, you know, quick little cuts of everything that you're gonna see, which you probably already saw that if you're watching this, with like a text overlay, a little teaser, and then lead into the video, a little voiceover in one part, knowing that you're gonna do those two parts, and then being more creative with those two parts that are already planned out for you. This is smart marketing. Oh, welcome to Premiere Pro, where I edit all my videos. So I am nearly done. I need to get a little screen recording of edit video and check that off because that is done. I just duplicated this piece from another part of the video. I don't currently have a good way to like reuse elements. I just kind of like copy them from another part and drag them over. I'm sure there's a better way. Let me know if you know a better way. Okay, I just posted the Instagram post to launch my prints. It's live now. Can you see the phone? Yeah. You can shop my prints at the link in the description. I hope this video was helpful for you if you're trying to sell your own prints online. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more content from me.